Hi everyone and mabuhay! Welcome back to another new video, and today we will be learning crochet basics. Lesson 4, how to do a double crochet stitch. Now, just like the half double crochet, not much is to say about it except it's a basic stitch, and of course it can be used in garments, and you can see it with other types of stitches like the moss stitch. I'm not so sure for amigurumis because I have never encountered somebody do half double crochets in amigurumis, but if you want to use a double crochet, then feel free to try. I'd say the double crochet stitch is like the older sibling of the half double crochet, so they're quite similar. But anyway, let us move on to the actual tutorial. Now, just like the half double crochet, I will be crocheting 12 stitches, skipping the first 2 stitches from my hook and inserting it into the third one. But first, let us yarn over and insert our hook on the third chain from the hook. Now, once we've done that, yarn over again and pull out the yarn. Once we have 3 hooks, unlike the half double crochet, we won't be pulling through all of them. Instead, we will be yarning over and pulling it through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull it through the next 2 loops. And that's how you do a double crochet. Now let's repeat that. Yarn over, insert it on the next stitch, yarn over, pull it out of the loop, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull it through the last 2 loops. Now repeat that until you have finished the whole row. Now for the next row, just chain 2 and repeat the same steps. Yarn over, put through the hole, yarn over, pull out, yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2 loops. And that's basically how you do a double crochet. I hope you guys learned something in this video, and once again, I can't wait to see what you guys have made. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to always create with a smile. Bye guys!